Welcome back to N.Rajini Kiran, my YouTube channel. This video helps you to understand the features of OOPS, that is object-oriented programming. Here is the list of features of OOPS. Or suppose if you are going to get a question for the features of OOPS or a question or write about the features of Java, this video is going to help you to better answer to such questions. Here are 9 different features of OOPS. I just wanted to read them out. Compiled and interpreted, platform independent and portable, object oriented, robust and secure. Fifth one is distributed. Sixth one, simple, small and familiar, multi-threaded and interactive, high performance. And lastly, the feature is dynamic and extensible. Let me explain all these features one after the other. Let us go for the first one, that is compiled and interpreted. Generally, any programming language is either compiled or interpreted. But when you look to Java programming, it is going to combine both of these approaches, that is compiled and interpreted, and hence we call the Java as a two-stage system. First, the Java program that is written in Java programming language, we call it as a source code, and this source code is given as an input to the Java compiler, and this compiler will translate that source code into a byte code. So the input for the Java compiler is the source code written in Java programming language, and the output for the Java compiler is a byte code. In the second stage, this byte code is given as an input to the Java interpreter. So the Java interpreter takes the byte code as an input and then generates the machine code as an output. In this way, Java not only a compiler but also an interpreter language. Hope this point is clear for you. Let us move to the second point, that is platform independent. Platform independent means the program can be executed on any operating system. So the Java program can run on any operating system or any platform. And Java is also a portable. Portable in sense easily moved from one place to another. So the Java programs can be easily moved from one system to another, anywhere, anytime, without any modifications to the already existing code. And hence we call the Java as a platform independent and portable. Let us move to the third feature, that is object oriented. Almost everything in Java is an object. That means all the Java program code and also the data is resided within the object or classes, and hence we say Java is a true object oriented language. And because of this feature, the Java is very simple and easy to extend the Java code also. And the fourth feature is robust and secure. Robustness means handling any type of errors. So the Java programs ensures that it can handle unexpected events and also errors without crashing and causing harm to the system. So in order to do so, it is going to use various mechanisms such as exception handling, garbage collection, type checking. All these mechanisms are going to help the Java to ensure that it can handle any unexpected events and also it can handle the errors, and that is the reason why we call the Java as a robust language. So even Java is so secure. Why? Because it doesn't allow the memory area to be accessed directly. And not only this, if there is any malicious code, that means malicious code means unsafe code. If it is detected or if it is deemed also, it is quickly blocked and it's not allowed to be executed. Because of these features, Java is a so secure language. Let us move to the fifth feature, that is distributed. That means Java is a distributed language in sense it has the ability to share the data and programs, and not only this, it has an capability to access the remote objects very easily. Because of this feature, the programmers can reside at different locations and yet they can work together on a single project. And next feature is simple, small unfamiliar. Why we are calling Java as a simple small language means many features of C++ are not included in Java because they are redundant. Like what are those features means? uh, Pointers, preprocessor, header files, go-to statements, and operator overloading, multiple inheritance. All these features are not used in Java because they are redundant. And Java is a familiar language. Why? Because almost the Java code looks like a C++ code itself. So we can also say Java is a simplified version of C++. And the seventh feature is multi-threaded and interactive. And Java runtime comes with these tools which are going to support this multi-threaded concept, the multi-processor synchronization, and also interactive system. So in Java, multiple threaded programs can be performed. That means we need not wait for an application to finish one task before beginning another. So the Java can execute the programs though one program is already there in execution. Moving to the next feature, that is high performance. Because of the bytecode, the performance of Java is uh, very high and it executes very speedily when compared with other programming languages like C and C++. And Java is dynamic and extensible. Why we are calling it as dynamic means everything is done at runtime. So it has a capability to dynamically link the new class libraries or methods or objects. And also it has a capability to add other programming functions. That means if say suppose the functions are written in C and C++ languages, we call them as a native methods. The Java has a capability to link these native methods dynamically. That means at runtime. So these are all the 9 features of OOPS, or we can say these are the 9 features of Java. Thank you for watching this video.